Here's another specialty Mustang at Unique Specialty and Classics. 2006 Saleen S281 Supercharged Mustang Coupe version. Torch red, black Saleen leather, clean Carfax, a little over 28,000 miles on this one. No accidents indicated. Confirmed mileage. As you can see, the sequential number from Saleen, 486 on this one. Let's go ahead and take a look at a little closer up look at the Saleen grille, front fascia. See, changed quite a bit from the regular Mustangs in 06. Heat extractor hood. Underneath that hood, 4.6 liter supercharged, actually Series 6 supercharger, 435 horse. That is paired up with a 5-speed manual transmission. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, you can see the underside of this car, interior, engine bay. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description to be able to check it out. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. This does have the upgraded HID headlamps, also chrome wheels, known as wagon wheels, Saleen circles. Does also have aftermarket quarter window treatment, side scoops. Of course, buckets. There's your 5-speed. Center console, Saleen dash mounted gauges. We'll get around to that driver's side, take a little closer look at the interior here shortly. Saleen wing, rear fascia, center dump exhaust. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And once again, those still pictures, so you can see the underside and engine bay, trunk, entire car, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. If you're seeing it on YouTube's, it's going to take you right there. Take a look up and down the driver's side. As you can see, the paint shows well. There's a few just little touch-up spots. I noticed one above the, let's see if I can get it to show up right there. A little touch-up spot above the gas door. And I forgot to show you one over here. I wanted to. It's pretty minor. A little bit of a scuff right there. I mean, very, very small in detail. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at this interior. Again, Saleen leather, black in color. Let me pull that key so we get rid of the door chime. Of course, power locks, power windows, power mirrors, or steering wheel controls for cruise. Let's take a little closer look at the seats. What you'd expect with a car, lower miles. Again, leather, just wrinkled the way leather is going to naturally wrinkle. It's not worn through, no rips, tears, holes. AC does blow cold, of course, power steering, power brakes. Let's go ahead and fire this up so you can hear it run. Nice sounding car. Would have the Shaker 500, 6 CD changer in dash. There you can see the radio is working. It does have an amp in the trunk also, which you can see in the still pictures. This is going to be for boost. This is going to be your air temp. We've drawing a blank intercooler. There's your exact miles, 28,641. See all the gauges working, and again, no sort of check engine lights, warning indicators, anything like that. Go ahead and take a look at the rest of the dash. This is a rather rare car. If you notice, there's no Steve Saleen signature on that dash. You don't see too many without that signature, so it's even more rare. Headliner, nice shape. Passenger seat also in good shape as far as the leather. Hear a little bit of that supercharger whistle up there. Slip around to the back. Nice deep sounding exhaust. A little rumble coming out of that center dome. Lots of times this vintage Saleen, those things are pink. All right, let's slip up to the front. I'm gonna pause this a second and pop the hood. Check out that engine bay and we'll wrap up this video.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
All right, underside of the heat extractor hood. FYI, I mentioned earlier, clean Carfax. This is a California car. Spent its entire life in California, just up till recently in 2022. You can hear the AC compressor kick on and off. Twin screw, Saleen Series 6 Supercharger, a 4.6 liter overhead cam engine. Remember, power steering, power brakes, 435 horse, rated from Saleen. And then I did mention earlier the Saleen high intensity discharge headlamps. So nice tidy engine bay. Be able to check that out in the still pictures also. Good sounding car. There you go, 2006 Saleen S281 Supercharged Coupe, Torch Red. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.